Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your freelancer.com account payout settings. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your freelancer.com account payout settings, start by logging into your freelancer account. Navigate to the top right corner of the home page. Click on your profile picture to access the drop-down menu. Select Settings from the menu options. In the Settings menu, find the Payouts section on the left sidebar. Click on Payouts to open the Payout Settings page. You will see various available payout methods listed on this page. Choose the payout method you want to verify. If you select PayPal, for example, click on the Verify button next to it. Follow the prompts to confirm your PayPal account details. If you prefer to use wire transfer, ensure you input your bank details accurately. Double-check your account number and any required codes. Once you have entered the necessary information, click Save. After, check your email inbox for a verification message from freelancer.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, return to the Payout Settings page. You should see a notification indicating that your payout method is now verified. If you encounter any issues during this process, consult the Freelancer Help Center for assistance. Your payout settings will now be fully configured and ready for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.